Despite working hard at a 9-to-5 job, diligently saving and trying to build wealth, many people feel stuck financially. According to Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors, this may be due to common financial pitfalls that trap the middle class. This video reveals things people often waste money on, holding them back from achieving financial success. If you're serious about building wealth and breaking free from the 9-to-5 grind, hit that subscribe button. We've got powerful content lined up to fuel your journey. Now, let's quickly dive in. Number 1. Brand name obsession. Many believe that buying expensive branded items projects success. However, wealthy individuals like Buffett, Zuckerberg, and Gates focus on value, not logos. Warren Buffett drives a modest car and lives in the same house for decades. The key takeaway is to prioritize quality and functionality over name brands. True wealth comes from smart spending and investing, not from flashy purchases. Number 2. Buying a house too soon. Owning a home is a major financial decision. Wealthy individuals often rent early in their careers to maintain financial flexibility and invest their money elsewhere. In contrast, many middle-class earners overextend themselves with large mortgages too early, locking up funds in a single asset. Warren Buffett once said, "Buying a house is usually a lousy investment. A home can become a financial burden if purchased prematurely. Rent until you're financially ready, and consider all associated costs before buying. Make informed decisions about home ownership based on your financial readiness." Number 3. New car depreciation. Tom buys a brand new car for $30,000. Within a year, its value drops by 20%, costing him $6,000. New cars depreciate rapidly, leading to significant financial loss. Purchasing new cars without considering depreciation is a costly financial mistake. Opt for certified pre-owned vehicles that retain value better. Is the new car smell worth thousands in depreciation? Probably not. Consider long-term value over short-term satisfaction. Make car purchases with depreciation in mind to preserve wealth. Number 4. Credit card misuse. Credit cards, those sleek pieces of plastic, can feel like magic wands, but too often, people use them to live a lifestyle they can't actually afford. Warren Buffett warns against this trap. He once said, "If you're smart, you're going to make a lot of money without borrowing." Overspending with credit is like trying to fill a leaking bucket. You're always catching up, never getting ahead. The worst part, most people don't even realize they're stuck in this cycle. Buffett's powerful advice is, if you buy things you don't need, soon you will have to sell things you do. Number 5. Impulse buying is robbing your future. Ever wonder where all your money goes? Spoiler alert. It's not bills, it's that $20 impulse buy you forgot 5 minutes after checkout. Impulse buying is one of the most dangerous silent killers of wealth, and most people don't even know they're guilty of it. Warren Buffett puts it bluntly, "Do not save what is left after spending. Instead, spend what is left after saving." Before any purchase, use the 24-hour rule. Wait one day and see if you still need it. Create a wish list in your Notes app. If after 30 days you still want it and can afford it without debt, go ahead. The best investment you can make is in yourself. That means saying no to temporary thrills in favor of lasting peace. Financial freedom isn't just about earning more. It's about spending wisely. I always create valuable videos just for those of you ready to take control of your wealth and live life on your own terms. Hit like, subscribe the Epic Wealthy channel, and send this video to your loved ones. We'll see you in the next one.